Let's learn the alphabet by Learn and Play with Austin. Hello, kids. Are you ready to learn the alphabet letters? Let's go. This is letter A, and A sounds a. Apple starts with letter A. What letter is this? That is letter A. Good job. This is letter B, and B sounds B. Bird starts with letter B. What letter is this? Letter B. Good job. This is letter C. And C sounds K. Car starts with letter C. What letter is this? Letter C. You're right. This is letter D, and D sounds D. Dog starts with letter D. What letter is this? Letter D. Very good. This is letter E, and E sounds E. Elephant starts with letter E. What letter is this? Letter E. Good job. This is letter F, and F sounds F. Fire starts with letter F. What letter is this? Letter F. You're right. This is letter G, and G sounds G. Gate starts with letter G. What letter is this? Letter G. Very good. This is letter H, and H sounds H, H. Hand starts letter H. What letter is this? Letter H. Correct. This is letter I, and I sounds E, E. Insect starts with letter I. What letter is this? Letter I. Very good. This is letter J, and J sounds J, J. Juice starts with letter J. What letter is this? J. Well done. This is letter K, and K sounds K, K. Kite starts with letter K. What letter is this? Letter K. Very good. This is letter L, and L sounds L, L. Lion starts with letter L. What letter is this? Letter L. Good job. This is letter M, and M sounds M, M. Money starts with letter M. What letter is this? Letter M. You're right. This is letter N, and N sounds N, N. Nose starts with letter N. What letter is this? Letter N. Well done. This is letter O, and O sounds O, O. Octopus starts with letter O. What letter is this? Letter O. Good job. This is letter P. And P sounds P. P. Pencil starts with letter P. What letter is this? Letter P. Very good. This is letter Q. And Q sounds K. K. Quail starts with letter Q. What letter is this? Letter Q. You're right. This is letter R. And R sounds R. R. Rain starts with letter R. What letter is this? Letter R. You're right. This is letter S. And S sounds S. Sun starts with letter S. What letter is this? Letter S. Very good. This is letter T. And T sounds T. T. Turtle starts with letter T. What letter is this? Letter T. You're right. This is letter U. And U sounds Umbrella starts with letter U. What letter is this? Letter U. You're right. This is letter V. And V sounds V. V. Violin starts with letter V. What letter is this? Letter V. You're right. This is letter W. And W sounds W. W. Whale starts with letter W. What letter is this? Letter W. Very good. This is letter X. And X sounds X, X. Xylophone starts with letter X. What letter is this? Letter X. Good job. This is letter Y. And Y sounds Y, Y. Yak starts with letter Y. What letter is this? Letter Y. Correct. This is letter Z. And Z sounds Z, Z. Zebra starts with letter Z. What letter is this? Letter Z. Very good. Learn the colors by learn and play with Austin. I am color red. I am color blue. I am color yellow. I am color purple. I am color pink. I am color orange. I am color green. Good job, kids. You did a very, very good job. The alphabet letters by Learn and Play with Austin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the English alphabet letters by Learn and Play with Austin. A. Apple. Apple starts with letter A. B. Ball. Ball starts with letter B. C. Coins. coin starts with letter C. D. Drum. Drum starts with letter D. E. Elephant. Elephant starts with letter E. F. Face. Your face starts with letter F. G. Goat. Goat starts with letter G. H. Hands. Your hand starts with letter H. I. Ink. Ink starts with letter I. J. Juice. Juice starts with letter J. K. Kitten. Kitten starts with letter K. L. Laptop. Laptop starts with letter L. M. Monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. N. Nose. Your nose starts with letter N. O. Orange. Orange starts with letter O. P. Penguin. Penguin starts with letter P. Q. Queen. Queen starts with letter Q. R. Roses. Roses start with letter R. S. Sun. The sun starts with letter S. T. Turtle. Turtle starts with letter T. U. Umbrella. Umbrella starts with letter U. V. Violin. Violin starts with letter V. W. Whale. Whale starts with letter W. X. Xylophone. Xylophone starts with letter X. Y. Yarn. Yarn starts with letter Y. Z. Zebra. Zebra starts with letter Z. Good job, kids! You did a really, really good job! The English alphabet by Learn and Play with Austin. Hello, children! Let's learn the English alphabet letters. Let's start. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Spelling alphabet by Learn and Play with Austin. Ant, A, N, T. Let's spell it again. A, N, T. Ant. Car. C, A, R. One more time. C, A, R. Car. Boy. B, O, Y. Let's spell it again. B, O, Y. Boy. Pen. P, E, N. One more time. P, E, N. Pen. Good job, kids! Let's learn to count from numbers 1 to 10 by Learn and Play with Austin. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, kids! Welcome, learn and play with Austin. Let's learn the alphabet letters. A. Apple starts with letter A. Look at these red apples. Looks yummy. B. Ball. Ball starts with letter B. Dribble, dribble, shoot. Ball. C. Cat. Cat starts with letter C. What is the sound of a cat? Meow. D. Dog. Dog starts with letter D. Can you say arf arf? That's a dog. E. Elephant. Elephant starts with letter E. They can stomp on you. They are so big. F. Fire. Fire starts with letter F. Fire is so hot, so do not touch it. G. Goat. Goat starts with letter G. They eat a lot of grass. H. Hands. Hands starts with letter H. Look at those hands. I. Ice cream. Ice cream starts with letter I. Ice cream is so sweet and cold. J. Juice. Juice starts with letter J. It's refreshing to drink juice, especially on summer days. K. Kettle. Kettle starts with letter K. You use kettle to boil water. L. Lake. Lake starts with letter L. You can swim on a lake. M. Monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. Look at that monkey. He's eating an apple. N. Nose. Nose starts with letter N. We use our nose for smelling. O. Orange. Orange starts with letter O. O is rich in vitamin C. P. Penguin. Penguin starts with letter P. Look at those cute little feet. Q, queen. Queen starts with letter Q. Look at that beautiful queen. R, rabbit. Rabbit starts with letter R. Rabbit hops, hops, hops. S, sun. Sun starts with letter S. Sun is good for our body. It is rich in vitamin E. T, turtle. Turtle starts with letter T. Turtle has a hard shell. U, umbrella. Umbrella starts with letter U. We use umbrella during summer and rainy days. V, violin. Violin starts with letter V. It's nice to hear some music from the violin. W, whale. Whale starts with W. Whale lives in the water. X, X-ray. X-ray starts with letter X. We can see our bones through X-ray. Y, yarn. Yarn starts with letter Y. Do you know we can make clothes using yarn? Z, zebra. Zebra starts with letter Z. They have black and white stripes. Great job! Clap your hands because you did very well. You can watch again this video so you can remember the alphabet letters. This is your first step in learning on how to read words. Subscribe for more videos here with Austin. Learn and play with Austin.